So the day we find out Pro Circuit's luck gets even worse, we have a post from Cameron Mcadoo about his injury, saying on his Instagram, quote, "Not the news I wanted to share with you guys today. On Monday, due to circumstances out of all of our control, I crashed and hurt my shoulder, resulting in a dislocation and torn labrum. I'm going in for surgery this morning. I'm extremely bummed not to be able to battle with my team for the next few months. I'll be right back to work getting ready for more as soon as I can, and of course, I'll keep you guys updated on my progress. Really appreciate all the support, and I'll see you soon." As far as I've seen, this is indefinite time frame. Dislocated shoulder, torn labrum. Obviously, he's gonna have to have, like he said, surgery to fix it, and then you got the healing time, rehab time, and with motocross only 50 days away, we're definitely not going to be seeing him for the start of that, I don't think. He says, quote unquote, for the next few months himself, so I don't think we'll see him even maybe halfway through the season, maybe at the end if we're lucky. But you gotta say, it sucks. He was having a really consistent year, being the only Pro Circuit guy that wasn't injured and just continuing to race for him, and now, well, who knows what happened. Maybe bike gave out false neutral or something on a jump, who knows. But he's out, and it sucks so bad because you never want to see these people get hurt, especially because the less riders there are, the less competition there is, and the less, fun it is for everybody to watch. But hopefully he heals up soon. I don't know. In the comments below, tell me how long you think it's going to be. Tell me, I don't know, do you think if any of the Pro Circuit guys are going to race for motocross and do anything? Whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me out with the algorithm, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later.